Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. The next would be to take out the drain. A lot of times you can only get under there and reach up there and hold the nut. And then you have a little tool like this, which is what they call a dumbbell, as I recall. It has two different sizes. This one's actually gotten broke. It's been with me a long time. One, and it sticks down in that cross hatch of the drain. And you stick it in there, and then you notice that hole right here? You can put a screwdriver in there. And then you can literally turn it. Or you can get another pair of channel locks and try to turn it too. But a screwdriver will hold it if they can get a pair of channel locks and turn. A lot of times there's no room under there to do that. In this case, we were able to reach under there and twist it without action. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.